The US ban on immigration, affecting about 75 countries, has left many nurses in a state of great uncertainty, given that no specific timelines were mentioned or stated for a review of these bans to happen. Coupled with the fact that there has been a long-standing retrogression on employment-based visas, this ban even makes the situation worse for many nurses. My name is Fedora. I'm an internationally trained nurse. I'm currently working in the US as a bedside nurse. Today, we're going to be talking about how to transfer your US RN license from the USA to Canada in 6 simple steps. The first step is to register with NAS, NNAS. Creating an account with NAS, registering for license evaluation, submitting your credentials like your nursing education, your transcripts, and all of that. NAS is one of the regulatory bodies in Canada that will authenticate your nursing education and verify that it meets the Canadian standard. Once that has been completed and you have received a report from NAS, which could be that your result or your education is comparable to that of Canada, you proceed to choose a province you want to work in. You register with the provincial regulatory body. So you can register with British Columbia, CNO or CRNA, then proceed to request for a license verification from your US Board of Nursing. You have to contact your US Board of Nursing and request that your license and your test status be sent directly to this provincial regulatory body. So whichever one you choose, you'll tell them you want it to be sent to the body. Remember, this result has to be from institution to institution. It doesn't go through you. After that, the next step is to sit and write the jurisprudence exam. The jurisprudence exam tests your knowledge on state and the nursing laws and regulations in the province which you have decided to work in. So you have to pass this exam to prove that you are knowledgeable about those laws and can practice safely in the province. The next step is to tailor your CV or your resume to the Canadian standards, showing an evidence of practice for the last 3 years or a recent nursing degree. The next step is to prove your English proficiency. Canada is a bilingual country, so you have to prove that you're proficient in either English or French. You can do this by taking exams like IELTS or CELBA and meet the minimum score requirement. Last step is to secure a work authorization. To work legally in Canada, you must either be a citizen, a permanent resident, or have a work permit. If you are not a citizen, you can go through the express entry route. The express entry route has programs like the Federal Skilled Worker Program and Canadian Experience Class. To qualify for the express entry as a nurse, all you need is your nursing education, a high IELTS score, and a young age. These give you a higher opportunity to be selected for application for Canadian permanent residency. The next program is the Provincial Nomination Program or Provincial Nominee Program. The Provincial Nominee Program requires a province to nominate you to apply for the permanent residency. To qualify for this, you must have a valid employment from a Canadian employer. You must have your nursing education, of course, also be nominated by this province to work there. Usually, provinces nominate candidates in the express entry pool based on their skills or education that suit the need of the province. Work permit. The work permit gives a nurse an opportunity to work in Canada for about 2 years. To qualify for the work permit, you have to have a job offer also from a Canadian employer. Later on, you apply for permanent residency while you are already in the country. Now, for job opportunities as a nurse, you can apply for jobs through the provincial health authorities. You can apply directly to hospitals or long-term care facilities. You can also apply through some agencies. If this video was useful to you, do well to like, share with colleagues or friends that may need this information. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.